Hi crochet lover, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. Today we are going to create a beautiful and cozy crochet blanket, baby blanket. These are perfect for any first read. Your book and here, let's read. Sketch our start with the foundation. Next we will add the pattern and texture. To shape the baby blanket size, we will use different stitches and pattern. Let's start crocheting. Bring with number chain stitches. We will work on your blanket. Keep in mind, if you want to add some personalized to your blanket, try different stitches, different colors, texture and different accessories you use and decor your baby's blanket easily. We will almost done if to finish your blanket. And that's it, your beautiful lovely crochet blanket is complete and ready to wear, ready to gift. Thanks for joining me today. If you want to subscribe, if you want to see more ideas about crochet work, so please tell me in comment section. I will explain you full detail with step by step. If you have any question or different argument request, please leave them in the comment below. I will explain you full detail with step by step in my next video. If you want any question, if you want any idea, so please tell me in comment section. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more crochet tutorial ideas and pattern designs. If you want to see full DIY tutorial, so please tell me in comment section. I will explain you full detail with step by step. And if you want to buy this, you visit many different websites such as daraz.pk, AliExpress, etsy.com, Clicky and my official website BePatron. You visit and order your favorite design and ideas video. If you want to see full DIY tutorial, so please visit my YouTube channel and watch my more different ideas about crochet work and knitting work. I will explain you full detail with step by step in my next video. You make this all the granny square and make a very beautiful granny square and attach with each other and make these all the beautiful granny square blanket is complete and ready to wear and ready to gifting. Thanks for sitting along with me. Okay viewers, see you in the next video. Okay viewers, take care. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.